At the Bland Company, we're using cutting-edge protein science to turn abundant, underutilized crops into high-performance ingredients, and we're starting with eggs.
From cake to pasta to sauces, 1/3 of all eggs are used into food manufacturing. But in the last few years, supply chains have broken and volatility has become the norm. For food companies, prices can swing 2 to 3-fold within a month, and there's still no reliable and cost-effective solution that perform the same.
I'm Yash, co-founder and CEO of the Bland Company. I've spent the last 6 years building in the next-gen ingredient space, launching the world's first cheese made from watermelon seeds, and then scaling bioprocesses at a leading precision fermentation company.
And I'm Micol, co-founder and CPO of the Bland Company. I studied biochemistry at Columbia University and bioengineering at the Imperial College, and previously I built a nutrition science-focused startup.
From my previous work, it became clear that plant feedstocks are the one truly meaningful path to solve the stresses facing our food supply chain. But while plants are abundant, their proteins lack the functionality of animal ones. At the Bland Company, we found a way to refine agri-side streams into high-performance ingredients.
Our feedstock-agnostic platform unlocks new value from what the planet already grows, making sustainability not a compromise, but an economic advantage. To make this vision a reality, we're excited to announce our $2.6 million pre-seed round led by Initialized Capital.
Our first products replicate the foaming, binding, and emulsifying power of eggs, all without the supply chain risk. Behind it is a team of world-class scientists innovating a new protein functionalization platform with multi-category applications. We're looking for forward-thinking partners across the value chain. If that's you, get in touch. We're looking to build a better food system together.